Hello there. I decided to finally install on this old bad boy all Linux, and I got my Ventoy, which I can just insert it, and hopefully it will, don't mind the mess, will work just fine. Don't mind the mess here either. I can just use it like this as well. Maybe this is better in a way. So yes, this is my sending desk. I have my Frog Chihuahua and Chihuahua as well. Don't mind the cables. Cable management is still up to date. Old school clock works best. Steam Deck, Steam controller. I want a new Steam controller as well. Of course, sending desk. I have my Ventoy, and I'm going with all of these are Linux or ESOS with a Windows one, and I'm going with NixOS because it's declarative and I want to try it. So let's see how it works. Going with latest Linux. I don't really need to go with latest one, but I want to. Let's go with GNOME. Usually I use Plasma, and I'm even thinking of not using GNOME but something else as well. But yeah, this works quite nice so far, at least. There it is. What kind of interesting. Okay. Oh, that's new in GNOME, at least for me. This, interesting. I'm pressing buttons here, but seems like Alt Command does something. Interesting. I don't want to install it yet. I want to check something. You know what? No, I am going with KDE because this is too strange for me. But there it is. That's what I'm searching for. I'm gonna restart in KDE, so be right back. I'm back in NixOS, in Plasma, which I'm more familiar with. And you know what? I'm just gonna go with the installation and deal with everything else later. So I'm going with British English because that's where I am, and we're going with Hungarian just to check. Works. Don't really care. I should really care, but no, I don't really care. That's my password. Next. Oh, I can choose which one I want. Oh my, there are some of you. Cinnamon, Mate, Enlightenment, or no desktop. I might go with no desktop because I have a specific desktop I want. It's called Niri, and I think it's there. But there's Niri. This is the one I want. Let's go with no desktop because I'm mad. Next. Let's see what this NixOS is fully open source, but also provide optional software packages that do not respect user freedom to run, copy, distribute, or study, change, or improve the software, and are commonly not open source. By default, such unfree packages are not allowed, but you can enable it here. If you check this box, you are agreed the unfree software may be installed, which might have additional end-user license agreements that you need to agree to. Not tablet, some hardware, not tablet, and with GPN, some Wi-Fi chip might not work, or not work optional. I installed my old NVIDIA in this, so I really need this. And I want manual partitioning on SSD. Thank you very much. And you know what? You don't have to see this, but I will be setting this up for myself. Due to the installer once just crashing, I need to use the ported, and so I'm gonna set it up here. So I'll be right back. So I did this. I have a 2 TB HDD in it, which I formatted to BRFST. We'll check it out how it works. Also, I have two SSDs. One of them is gonna be my main one. I created a boot one for 2 GB, a 16 GB Linux swap, basically an extra memory if needed, and the rest of the system will be on this part. And on the second SSD, I want it to be my home folder. Basically, whatever I put, it's not a part of the system, just my files and maybe games. No, I don't think I'm gonna have games, but my own files gonna be here. And this hopefully will work. Let's hope. I needed to change some things still, so the new stuff looks like this. Hopefully this will work. We'll see soon. Nope, it did not work. I will troubleshoot this. God damn it. Seems like second try did work, so let's restart. Not restarting now, but shutting down, taking out the USB drive and all that jazz. So be right back. And restarted it. Seems to be running. Ooh, okay, that's new. I have the USB here in my hand. Linux is starting, and there is this TTS. Yay, LS. Nothing. DVD. I'm in my home. Okay, let me try to install the Niri. Yeah, it's Niri. Desktop manager or window manager. Be right back. I have zero idea what I'm doing and how it's working. Fuck this shit, I'm going back to fucking CacheOS. I'm going back. Hey cat! Snow, nézé, hello. No, this is not for you, nem neked van. And we are going to reboot. So I'm giving up because I just don't know how this whole NixOS thing works, and I just want something to work right now. So I'm going back to CacheOS. Generation, what the? God damn it. Be right back. And I'm on CacheOS. Why are you focusing over there? Can you like not focus? Thank you. And I'm gonna just go and immediately check out the readme, because of course need the CacheOS wiki for sure. Let's launch the installer as well. Why only those two? That's not good, because I immediately was like, huh? If you only get grub, what is grub and line was represented in your system but in legacy BIOS mode. Yeah, I don't want that, so restart now. I'm back and seems like it's normal now. But first, installation guide. I have secure boot off if I remember right. And I wanted to go with Limine. And this is what I need to set up. So Limine, need you right now. And there's a cat behind the monitor just saying. See, there's a cat. Anyway, we are going to install this thing here. British English, still the same, still Hungarian keyboard. Just in case I'm checking something, it still works. I had some issues while trying to make NixOS work. And manual partition, because these are already partitions and I already created a boot partition based on that, so yeah, boot from there. I don't know if I need to edit this web or not. You know what? Fuck it. New partition table. Give the partition. Yes. Seems like I managed to go forward with CacheOS, and I'm choosing Niri as I originally wanted. It's only installing Niri packages. I already was here and set up all of my stuff here. Next, and here these are the settings I'm gonna have. And reformatting the whole thing. And install now. Welcome to CacheOS. CacheOS is offering yeah. Unique and all that. It's just installing, so I'll be back when it's done. It is done. Let's see if this works. Done. Should reload into NixOS now. Hopefully it does. It does. Nice. Oh, that was clean. Oh, that is clean. Let's see if it works. And I am here. Oh, this is gonna be new. But I immediately need to do some tweaks, I guess. And need to figure out how Niri works, so be right back. This CacheOS with Niri seems to be working. My only issue is, well, aside from that, it's only possible to control it via keyboard, but that's expected. I'm just can't really press the command button on this one and just scroll. Can I just place it? I'm just gonna need to put this down. And this is all works. It just one as issue. And how much more to say? Yes. I want the dark mode. No dark. Try to lock in the GTA website. GTA. Maybe I need. The issue is this is GNOME. I don't like GNOME. And I just found that there is scrolling window tiling manager called Carousel, because this is not a full DE, just a compositor, and I need a full DE, and I do like KDE. So I might just reinstall it. Well, back to square one and going with KDE now. So yeah, installing it again. Okay, this is what I remember. This is more familiar. And we should be in KDE. Dark. Yes, it's dark. It's familiar. Okay, I can work with this. Thank you very much.